In this video, we're actually going to select how we actually do the catalog backup. So when you log into the dashboard to the Spectrum Protect Plus Management Console, come down to the System, and then you have an option, you have a select section called Catalog. When you click on the catalog, you have different options, backup, restore, and retention. Now you click on the backup, and since we already had a predefined SLA was for catalog backup, in this case, you all need to come here and you select that and you save that particular SLA. So now what happens is the catalog backup has been added to the catalog backup SLA, and it will start backing up at those appropriate times. And you can see here that it is set design, and you can actually come here and you can start the SLA backup and click on it, and it will start running the SLA backup at this given point in time because we did a manual kickoff. Now, once this is being backing up scheduled, the ways you can actually, the next thing is if you ever want to actually recover it, you can actually definitely click on the restore and go and select the appropriate storage vSnap server. In this case, all the catalog backups have been happening on the secondary storage over here. So you click on the secondary storage, and you will see the bunch of the catalog backups that has been happening. So you click on it, and now you'll see all of these catalog backups, and then you can click and go see restore. So once you restore, then it will restore all your catalog backups to the same. Now, when you click on the retention pane, so basically here this allows user to search for restore points in the catalog by backup job name or view of the creation and the expiration date. So in this case, if you actually do star gold, and this will actually pick up all the SLA policies that were associated with that particular catalog. So you can come here and actually say that if you want to expire, that's the retention pane within the catalog backup test. Thank you and have a great day.